Join my Telegram channel, link is in the description. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Advanced in Knowledge for Children. So as you saw the title, today's topic is how to make India a developed country. So if we want to know how to make India a developed country, we need to know what is a developed country. So some of you might think, does this YouTube creator thinks we are that much foolish? But meaning of developed country varies with each person. Some may think if their country is rich in culture, it is a developed country. Something if their country is the most powerful country, then it is the developed country. So the meaning of developed country I am saying about is a country which has good amount of wealth, low rate of poverty, high rate of literacy, had adopted latest technologies is a developed country. So in this video, we're going to take examples of nicely developed countries and rich countries. So without any further delay, let's begin. So the first example we are going to take is England. Now you may think Britishers have exploited us, that's why they are now rich. But hey, you're right but wrong. Do you know why? Before the Industrial Revolution, countries like India and China were rich due to the skills in farming. They have sold the products and become rich. But do you know why agricultural based countries are not rich? Because of the industries. Industrial Revolution took place in England, so it exploited raw materials from India and used them to manufacture amazing products and sold them and become rich. But after that, slowly USA took its place. But still, UK is still one of the world's largest economy. So how UK is still a powerful country? The answer is the mighty service sector, which contributes in 80% of the income. If you don't know what is a service sector, a service sector is a sector which doesn't produce any product, but it's a kind of service like film industry, customer care, etc. Going to our next example, Japan. This country has proved that even if a country doesn't have raw materials, still it can become a developed country. So you may doubt, if they don't have raw materials, then how did they develop themselves? The answer is they invested vast amounts of money on human resources, means on health and education, which are one of the basic things that a worker needs to have. So now the question is, from which sector does Japan earns the most money? Although Japan earns highest revenue from its service sector, which is 71.4%, but still known for its innovative electrical products and its technology, which is one of the feature a developed country needs to have. That's why Japan is in the list. So the third one in our list is China. Now some of you think, why are you bringing out enemies as ideals? And it is a copycat. But listen, it may be a copycat, but still it is a developed country. We can't change that. But don't be so worried that India's enemy is developed. It still needs to develop a lot, and it has many weaknesses. Now you may also say it has a lot of raw materials, that's why it could become a developed country. But hey, I can prove it wrong. I think you all know that Spain is the founder of America and it earned a lot of amount of precious metals. But that made a lot of inflation and Spain empire has declined as a big European power. So yeah, coming back to China, even being a communist country, it reduced taxes to attract companies, and that's what changed the nation's life. Now it is the second biggest economy after USA, which is a big accomplishment. Now coming to earning, although it also gets most of income from service sector, which is 51.6%. China is the largest manufacturer on the whole globe. So our next example is USA, which is the present superpower and the world's financial capital, which is New York, is in USA. USA developed by rapid industrialization and setting up more and more companies which were related to innovation like Apple, Google, Microsoft. Large amounts of land favored USA. Even in World War One, for its advantage, even it used World War One for its advantage and sold a lot of ammunition to Britain and became superpower at that time. It invented atomic bomb, also known as A bomb, which gave it military superiority but soon broke due to invention of bomb invention of A bomb by USSR. Now USA is the world's biggest economy and also the world's big bully, which can change the life of a country. To summarize, Britain had innovated fantastic technology, so it became a developed country in the long run. Japan had invested a lot in education and health and innovation, so it became a developed country. China attracted a lot of companies which can make their country innovative. USA established a lot of companies which innovated a lot of the world, so it became the world's big guy. So we can say that if a country innovates itself, then it is a developed country. And if it is in a position to innovate the remaining world also, then it will be a superpower. But not only industries should develop, but agriculture is also important for country's well-being. So, thanks for watching. Share this video to your friends and family, and if you found this video useful, then like the video so I can know that you're liking the content and I can make this type of interesting content. And if you still didn't subscribe to the channel, then subscribe my channel. It will help you know a lot of knowledge and me to grow my channel. And also join my Telegram channel if you didn't still join. Link is in the description. And once again, thanks for watching.